Alibaba stock is back in the spotlight, trending up 3.49%. This is Tuesday, the 25th of November, 2025. Let's see what's going on. Yesterday on Friday, just like it seems it's a pattern, it got a bounce from intraday low of $148.64. Let's see what we have so far in this pre-market session. Okay, 1.5 million shares. Looks like maybe roughly 10% of its average volume. Okay, yeah, the company reported that its profit has halved. It dropped by half in the second quarter amid a fierce competition in the food delivery sector. But revenue growth was steady as its AI business gained momentum with the consumer AI space, the latest target in its sights. Of course, we know yesterday that it disclosed that its newly launched Gwen app had already reached 10 million downloads and positioned to be a competitor to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Further to the financials, it says here that its net profit fell 53% to 20.99 billion yuan, equivalent to $2.96 billion. Adjusted net profit declined by even sharper 72% to 10.35 billion yuan, a tad below market expectations. Okay. Revenue rose 5% to 247.795 billion yuan for the 3 months ended September, slightly higher than the consensus in a fact-checked poll of analysts. Okay, that's what we're looking at right now. Underlying trend is still bullish regardless. Okay, the algos seem to have got this one right. They seems to have gotten this one right. Okay, high prices today, yes, and expected to remain strong up till the 11th of November. Then after that, a contraction that might bring it below its 40-day moving average. So in the interim, okay, expansion is going on, but a contraction is expected to occur or begin to occur from the, or there are begin to build up from the, let's see now, from the, as a matter of fact, it's going to begin to contract. The contraction, this expansion is going on right now, but getting towards the 2nd of December, it might begin to contract and then expand again. So it's just going to be cyclical and ultimately may result in a contraction from the 12th of December. Projections are currently saying what we have one to nothing to the upside, 125.19, 133.55, 147.08. It's currently trading at 165.85. Let's see the daily chart, the 4-hour chart, which is currently active right now. Okay, here we have extrapolation is saying that high prices may continue to print up till the 2nd of December, then a contraction. Okay, nothing is the 40-period moving average is not expected to inhibit any movement or any extrapolation, any expansion from the stock. It's not expected to do that. Projections are currently saying, let's see, 165.16, just a downward projection. Yeah, there's abundant upper projections. We have 180.62, 187.85, 192.31. These were in place as of the 6th of November. And yeah, I think, yeah, a pivotal projection, which maybe it's not expected to retest anytime soon, is 187.99. If it does that, if it closes above that, it might retest 185.65 and indeed 189.36, but no, not really, maybe not anytime soon. Okay, so let's see. Momentum is expected to continue to decay. Let's see. The probability of it, it has started to retest previous highs. Okay, we have this high here. A couple of them. We have this. We have let's see this. This is on the 10th of November, about a week ago. It had this rejection at 168.25. The probability of it retesting it is statistically very high. Yeah, quite high, higher than 50%. And the probability of it retesting 169.5, 169.73 is also no, not high, not high, not high, not high, not high at all. No, no, ask about sorry, sorry about the no. The probability of it retesting 168.26 is not high, and that's also the case with 169.92, not high. Less than 50%, it could be less than 10%, even though it's not too. It could be zero. It could be 0.1%, but I doubt if it's 0.1%, given that they are all in the 160s. The difference between the target and the moving averages are not so high. So yeah, it might be able to do so. But if you're considering it, if you're considering the 40 period and 200, the 40 period moving average, you might have something higher. But we're just considering the first value here, the 10 period moving average. That's what we used in this to estimate this. The probability is just a rough estimate. Okay. Is there any point? Okay, let's see now what we can see from its market grid. We don't have you can see now there are nothing here, no intraday high. We have something here, 168.95, but we can also apply the market grid. It might give us calculated projections, calculated trading range that it may be able to trade within in the coming for just for the next couple of hours. It's this is a 4 hour chart. Is more of a chart that traders may look at. Okay, so the stock hasn't it's trading outside of that grid, so it might pull back. But let's see what we have on its 1 hour chart and see if it has. Yeah, okay. You can see what we have here. It range between 159.97 and 173.43. So yeah, 173 is something it can print, 171 equally, 170.06, 168.29, which is the one which is where it got rejection at. Yeah. So it's not never say never. Okay, so on this 1 hour chart, lower prices expected to keep the contraction that has kicked off now is expected to remain in place at least up to tomorrow. Tomorrow, 7 p.m. New York time tomorrow. Let's see. Do we have a look at the 2 hour chart? We've seen $170 there. Okay, here on the 2 hour chart. Okay, 172 as well. The same sort of top. Okay, okay. The rate. I think the difference is that it's tighter here. It's a tighter range on the 2 hour chart. It's a wider range on the 1 hour chart. Let's see the 45 minutes and see on the 45-minute chart. Let's see whether it would even give us a wider range. No, just pretty much just like what it is on the 2 hour chart. There we try have a look at the 30-minute chart. Yeah, I think pretty much the same thing as well. Yeah, for some reason that 1 hour chart is just looks a bit unique. Okay, though not so, just pretty much the same thing. It's just that this is fractionally less than the bottom of the base of the grid is yeah, okay. Well, actually, it's slightly wider. Slightly wider. You can see here 159.97 and 173.43. Those are the ones ended at 172. So it's slightly wider on this 1 hour chart. But we haven't had a look at the 3 hour chart. You never know what's going to be there. It might not have anything. Yeah, it has some values. We have okay, also tighter, a lot tighter. One between 161 and 171, and given that the trajectory is to the downside, and it's currently trading at 166, so it might even test this S value, yeah, S1 value 165.46. But the algos are saying that they might bounce and yeah, go ahead and continue to print high prices. Just that's equally the case on the 4 hour chart here. Okay, so the stock is trending. Have a look and see what you make of Alibaba stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.